Guys, good afternoon. This is Luke Gonzalez here from MarineMax. Today we're on board a Scout 175 Sportfish. This is a kind of a hybrid model between their bay boat and flats boat. This boat has a deep enough V where you can handle the rough bay, but shallow enough where you can fish the flats. So it's a very, very versatile boat. Starting on the power of this, you have a Mercury 90 horsepower. It gets this boat up on plane very easily. It's a perfect power combination. And starting on the back seat compartments, you have some dry storage right here, and then on the opposite side you also have more dry storage, rod holders on the back transom here. You have a plug-in for your one of your nav lights. So moving towards the helm area, you have two dependent captain's chairs right here. You have your gauges for your fuel and for your speed, the rest of your switching right here as well. You can actually also do a bimini style top here. Its option on this boat pairs very, very nicely with it. You have a lockable station here to put any valuables. Your battery switch is nice and conveniently right here. You have a storage under the console on this side. This boat comes with a built-in cooler as the console seat. And then on the sun pad here in the casting platform, you also have another big cushion, and then a giant storage compartment right here. And then up here, you also have your anchor locker. So any questions on this boat, feel free to give me a call at 954-205-5744. My name is Luke Gonzalez. Thank you.